Hello world, it's Monday, August 17th, 2026, and I quit my job 2 weeks ago. This morning I just flopped around in bed until like literally 1 p.m. I had so many emails and like tasks to catch up on, and last week I was traveling, so this is like my first week being back, I guess, in my like real life. So I had a lot to catch up on and get done. I published a Substack article, like my first one for this Substack, so I'm kind of stoked about that. It kind of is interesting to be talking to yourself. It's kind of freeing and exhilarating. I feel like since I've been posting online since I was like 16 or 17 years old, I feel like when I start trying to make a video or something, I have to think about like the branding and the messaging, and like I was like, oh, should I turn this into a 30-day challenge to make it more palatable and so people want to come back and watch it? I don't want to do that. Let's go harvest my veggies, go on a run, and then we can chat more later. So this is our half of our personal bed in the community garden, and we got to harvest some stuff today. Oh my god, beans. Look how much lettuce we have. Look at all that lettuce. Bean haul. Look at this cucumber. Some oregano.
Big spinach.
This lettuce has really bolted, but some of our other lettuce is ready for harvest, like this one. And those greens, which are starting to. Some salad greens. We're gonna harvest some of our chives to cook with this week.
Lettuce is, I don't know what it's.
Garden also has some community spaces like these blackberry bushes, and we have a couple fig trees, as well as a community bed and some other stuff. It's great fuel before my run. My favorite water fountain in Morningside. It was so hot and I really haven't gone on a run in like a month or so, so I got to stop and enjoy the views, some wildlife, this little white pigeon. I'm genuinely dripping sweat. Like, it's dripping down my body. Just a 2-mile, like slow run. And I put sunblock on. So now I'm burning. My eyes are burning. Recently I learned that when a tree canopy looks like this with like the sky puzzle piecing through, it's from crown shyness, which usually happens with like species, but I think it's kind of happening here too. Just slow down recently because I felt like I have so much anxiety and tension coursing through my body all the time. So sitting in Central Park is like really important to me to like calm down and relax. Now we gotta run home. Playing this fun game of can I shower before my drain makes my tub fill. And tonight I think I lost. This has been a problem for like 2 or 3 weeks now. We snaked it, we drainoed it, and now I've submitted a ticket to my management, which they probably will not answer. I then prepped part of dinner to pair with some leftovers we had. I'm making a salad, just picking out the chives because I don't want to use them in this salad, some chickpeas, chopped greens, and then we went up to our roof and look at this amazing sunset where we had our salad and leftovers. And then we ended the night watching Twilight because we were just in Seattle. Okay, bye. Have a good night.